Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. According to a report from Nokia Power User, HMD Global will start rolling out Android P to Nokia branded smartphones from August. As can be seen from the image below, a Nokia mobile care support staff seemingly revealed that the Android P update will hit all Nokia smartphones sometime in August. While the exact ETA for the update is still not entirely clear, the fact that almost all Nokia-branded devices run Android One means that it shouldn't be a surprise if Android P does hit these smartphones next month.